Welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. In this video I am going to talk about pH of a buffer solution. This called as Anderson-Hasselbalch equation. Now what is Anderson-Hasselbalch equation? This is the estimation of pH of a buffer solution. Now in my previous class I am going to talk about buffer solution. Buffer solution is simply nothing but which solution is resist the change in pH when we adding small amount of acid and base. These buffer solutions are classified into two categories. One is acidic buffer and another one is basic buffer. Now in this video I am going to talk about pH of buffer solution. Now my name is Uma Shankar. Start this section. See this board. Friends, pH of a buffer solution. Now first of all, buffer solution is classified in two types: acidic buffer. Friends, acidic buffer, find out the pH of buffers in this acidic buffer. Acidic buffer is the weak acid plus salt. The salt is called as weak acid of strong base. This is called as conjugated base. Now weak acid plus salt, for example of the weak acid is the CH3COOH. This is the weak acid. This is dissociated to form CH3COO minus plus H plus, and salt of this conjugated base is the CH3COO Na. This is strong electrolyte. It's dissociated CH3COO minus plus Na plus. This is the weak acid. Acetic acid is in weak electrolyte. It's dissociated to form CH3COO minus plus H plus, and this is the CH3COO Na. This is called as salt of conjugated base. Now this is called as CH3COO minus plus Na plus. This is the strong electrolyte. Now these two solutions are common. Common is acetate ion is present in they. Now due to in the presence of common ion effect, what happened there, friends? The solution of the CH3OH concentration is increases. Now the reaction is the backward reaction is takes place. What happened there, friends? Backward reaction is takes place in this solution. Now what is the pH of a buffer solution of this acidic buffer? Friends, you know that this is the weak electrolyte. Now this weak electrolyte, now we have to find out this weak electrolyte ionization constant. Now this is called as weak electrolyte. Now Ka is equal to concentration of products of this reaction COO minus into concentration of H plus by concentration of products. Okay friends, this is the ionization constant of weak electrolyte. This is the strong electrolyte. Now what happened there, friends? Due to common ion effect, this reaction is backward reaction is present in there. Now you have to find out the H plus in this reaction. H plus is equal to Ka into concentration of CH3COOH by concentration of CH3COO minus. Friends, this is the very important step. Friend, what is the step is that this is called as CH3COOH. This is the concentration of acetic acid. But in this solution, these are the acetate ions present in the weak electrolyte acetic acid, and acetate ions present in that solution is the sodium acetate. Now what happened there, friends? Due to common ion effect, what happened there? This weak electrolyte degree of dissociation is neglected. Now most of the acetate ions is present in this salt. Now this CH3COOH is called as salt. Okay friends, this CH3COO minus is most of the coming from this sodium acetate. Because of the due to common ion effect, these CH3COOH minus ions is the degree of dissociation of these ions is neglected. Now this is CH3COO minus is salt. Now this CH3COO minus H is called as acid. Okay friends, this is acid and this is salt. Now these equation is multiplied to the minus log base 10. Therefore minus log base 10 concentration of H plus equal to, this is minus log base 10 Ka into, this is called as acetic acid, this is called as acid. Now concentration of acid by concentration of salt. Okay friends. Okay friends, this is salt and this is acid. Now this is minus log base 10 H plus is called as pH. pH is equal, this is minus log base 10, this is called as Ka, minus log base 10 A into B is A plus B. Now this is minus log base 10 concentration of acid by concentration of salt. Okay friends, this is the minus log base 10 acid by salt. Now finally pH is equal to minus log base 10 K is the, this minus log base 10 is the function of the P. Now P of Ka minus, this is minus log A by B. Therefore log A by B is called as log A by B is called as log A minus B. Now what happened there? This is minus into minus is plus. This reaction is like this. This equation, this part is like this, plus log base 10 concentration of salt by concentration of acid. Now this reaction is, this term is reverse. What happened there? This sign is positive. Therefore this is the pH is equal to pKa plus log base 10 concentration of salt by concentration of acid. This called as Henderson-Hasselbalch equation of acidic buffer. Now this is the equation of the acidic buffer. This is called as pH is equal to pKa plus log base 10 salt by acid. This called as Henderson's Hasselbalch equation. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Okay friends, this is the acidic buffer. Now and another category that is called as basic buffer. Now we have to calculate the pOH. This is clear friends, this is arise. Friends, next one is the basic buffer. Now basic buffer, find out the pH of buffers in basic buffer. Friends, you know that in basic buffer is the mixing of weak base plus salt of conjugated acid, that is called as weak base strong acid. Weak base strong acid, that is called as salt of conjugated acid. Now this is the example of this basic buffer is the weak base is NH4. OH is a weak base and it is partially dissociated to form NH4 plus OH minus. Okay friends, and salt of the weak base strong acid like NH4, that example is the NH4Cl. NH4Cl is a conjugated acid. This is the salt of weak base. Now NH4Cl is a 100% dissociated, therefore this is the NH4 plus Cl minus. Friends, this is the basic buffer. You know that in this basic buffer common ions are present in NH4 plus. Due to common ion effect is present in this solution, what happened there? This reaction is backward reaction is favorable. Now this is the NH4 plus ions is present in there. Due to common ion effect, what happened there? NH4 plus ion concentration is increases of the solution. Now this reaction is the backward reaction is takes place. Whenever the backward reaction is takes place of this reaction, what happened there friends? The weak electrolyte of NH4OH is degree of dissociation is decreases. It means the degree of dissociation of the weak electrolyte is neglected. That is the basic concept of the common ion effect. Now it's called as weak electrolyte. Now we have to find out the this ionization constant of this weak base, that is called as Kb is the ionization constant of weak base equal to what happened there friends. Kb is equal to ionization constant of weak base equal to concentration of products is concentration of NH4 plus into concentration of OH minus by concentration of NH4 OH. Now we have to calculate the concentration of OH minus. Now what happened there friends? Kb into concentration of NH4 OH by concentration of NH4 plus. Friends, this NH4 OH is the base. Okay friends, this NH4 plus is represented to the salt. Why this NH4 plus is represented to the salt? What is the reason? The reason is this is the NH4 plus ions is present in this base, and as well as this NH4 plus ions is present in this salt. Now in due to common ion effect, what happened there friends? These NH4 plus OH minus ion concentration of this NH4 minus is degree of dissociation is neglected because of the due to common ion effect. Now most of the NH4 plus ions is present in the coming to the these NH4Cl. Now these NH4 plus ions is called as salt. Okay friends, this is the NH4OH is base and NH4 plus is salt. Now this reaction is the multiplied to the log base 10. What happened there friends? Concentration of OH minus ions is equal to minus log base 10 Kb into concentration of base by concentration of salt. Okay friends, now minus log base 10 OH minus is called as POH. Now minus log A into B is the minus log Kb minus log base 10. This is concentration of base by concentration of salt. Okay friends, now POH is equal to minus log base 10 Kb. Now minus log base 10 is the function of the P. Now P Kb minus, now this is the log base 10 base concentration of base by salt. Now this is the term is reverse. So what happened there? This sign is positive. Now what happened there? Log base 10 concentration of salt by concentration of base. This is the POH is equal to POH is equal to PKb plus log base 10 concentration of salt by concentration of base. Now we have to find out the pH. Now pH is find out the this POH term. What happened there? One more important formula, that is called as pH plus POH is equal to 14. Now we have to calculate the POH and that value is substituted in this equation. Now we have to calculate the pH. This is the concept of the pH of a buffer solution. This name is the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.